अच्छा थोड़ा हाथ पीछे हॉट फैन ये निकल look here now you have wait look here hold here ma'am look here Marina here this look here hold zoom कर ma'am here Marina here now look here Marina ma'am here
ओके
क्या कहना चाहेंगे R6 के बारे में?
सॉरी कैमरा में
क्या कहना चाहेंगे RX के बारे में?
वेल Puma as a brand is always हमेशा innovative रहा है and today as well they have reinvented their collection which is RS and I'm absolutely loving them. They've given it a quite funky cool look and yeah.
So after making a debut in your film,
Yes.
you must have offered for that brand endorsement kind of thing. So what do you have to say about it? What is the criteria for selection for a brand?
The idea of selection for a brand, I think you need to relate to the brand. You really need to feel for it कि हाँ मुझे ये करना है, मुझे ये अच्छा लगता है. So that's about it.
And you started your career with a big production house. How fortunate do you feel being a part of Salman Khan film?
Well, I am super blessed. I am grateful कि मुझे ऐसी एक opportunity मिली है. And I hope कि मैं वो opportunity को आगे जाके I'm giving my best. I am working hard. So उस opportunity को मैं waste जाने ना दूँ.
What about the future projects? Are you working on a project right now or are you looking for any script?
Well, I'll let you know soon.
कुछ तो आ रहा है, मैं बता नहीं दर्शकों को.
कुछ तो आ रहा है, सरप्राइज रहने दीजिए ना. थैंक यू.
भाई थोड़ा पीछे हटो दादा आप थोड़ा पीछे हटो थोड़ा और अंदर जाओ और अंदर go back Oni look here Oni here now here Oni here ma'am here one last ma'am here Oni on this turn now look here hold thank you ma'am somebody
आप भी इधर आ जाओ ना.
Chalo. Ma'am,
Okay.
Ma'am, what do you think about the Puma brand? What is the association with the brand and what do you think of the brand as well?
I love them. I like their collection. I like how comfortable they are. Whether it's shoes, whether it's cool, whether it's clothes. Also, I'm sorry, I have a really bad throat. That's why. And I like the fact that they're so wearable yet so stylish and trendy. So yeah, I'm wearing their shoes today. You can see.
You are very fortunate to get big projects and working with big stars. क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि क्या आगे का क्या लेकिन the kind of project you're working in, thus actors should be getting more space in the project as well. इस कारण में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
I think slow and steady. I have just started. I also don't believe it, but it's actually my first year. Like last year, Gold released in August, so I haven't even it's not even been a year that I am in. I'm doing films, so I am going to give it my all. I'm going to wait for the right projects. I'm very fortunate that I got to do this for amazing films with amazing script so early on in my career. But I'm going to be patient and I'm going to wait for the right thing to come by.
आप अब तक जो भी फिल्में की हैं काफ़ी अच्छी रही, काफ़ी हिट रही सदी की सदी. क्या कहना दिखती है?
जी एक ही आई है अभी तक तो गोल्ड. I'm really sorry, I'm really unwell. थैंक यू थैंक यू ही बोलना चाहूँगी. अच्छा फील होता है जब आपके काम को सराहा जाता है या आपका काम लोगों को पसंद आता है. यू फील लाइक योर that everything has come together and finally आपके हार्ड वर्क को कुछ पहचान मिली है. तो कुछ ऐसी फीलिंग है. थैंक यू. I am still finishing Brahmastra and Raw में भी I think there's one song left and there's some bits and portions left in Made in China and I'm waiting. Let's see. I hope and pray कुछ और भी बढ़िया अच्छा सा काम मिले and मन लगा के वो भी कर सकूं. Thank you. That I am also waiting as eagerly as everybody else. I'm waiting for Christmas, for it to be Christmas, to actually go there and watch the movie. It's very special. It's going to be an amazing one. Thank you.
Here please. Look here this side. Yeah, here this way. Center. Now here please. Ma'am, look here. Both of you center. Look here both. Look here both of you. Ma'am, camera look. Yeah, morning. Anisha. Excuse me, sir. Yeah. Look here. Yeah. Look here. Yeah. Ma'am, here. Ma'am, look here. Yeah. Yeah, look here. Yeah, wonderful. Look at the camera. Yeah, ma'am, bites. अरे हमको बाइट करना है.
Ma'am, how do you saw the Puma brand? I mean, it's a big brand, in the sportswear industry. So, what is the specific quality you?
What is the specific quality about Puma? One, that they do very interesting running shoes. Now they've got this lifestyle shoe which is not for running, but you can wear it with anything. जैसे कि मैंने अपने dress के साथ team किया है, so you can wear it with jeans, t-shirt, and it just adds a little bit of color to your everyday outfit.
Okay, when you associate with a brand, what is the thing you keep in mind basically? What are the certain?
I mean, it should reflect a little bit of me. वो ज़रूरी है. I mean, I can't be present at an event where I don't think that shoe compliments me in any way. So I think it's a very young, sporty look, and it goes with my vibe.
lot of brands must have approached you for endorsing or something like that. Have you ever rejected a brand for any specific reason?
Yeah, I mean, if a brand is very far from what I am in my real life, then I don't think I want to associate with it. Something that's close to me in real life is what I want to associate myself with.
And what's going on professional front? Are you working on anything?
Yes, I'm working on a few things. I'm working on a movie that should release in November. Very excited about it, but I just can't speak about it just yet. So I'm just hoping that the makers start talking about it, then I can. Web is interesting. A lot of web stuff is happening. So by the end of the year, I'll have a lot of stuff coming out. हेरा फेरी 3 में तो मैं नहीं हूँ क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं कि हेरा फेरी 3 बन भी रही है या नहीं, बट उसके अलावा एक बहुत ही बड़ी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग फिल्म है जिसमें मैं हूँ, लेकिन मैं चाहती हूँ कि नहीं मैं हिंट दूँगी तो फिर आप समझ जाएंगे, बट सिर्फ ये कहना चाहूँगी कि नवंबर में फिल्म रिलीज़ होगी, तो आई थिंक बहुत कम फिल्में हैं जो नवंबर में रिलीज़ हो रही हैं, उसमें से एक है, एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ लॉट ऑफ फन. थैंक यू guys.
अरविंद जरा तनिषा मैडम इथे कम व्हाट हैपेंड आई कैन शो यू द फैन तनिषा मैडम इथे मॅम इकडे समोर तनिषा मॅम इकडे एकदा बोला मॅम या
the most important thing is also I can say for myself especially because I like dance and I like to stretch and I like to work. So if you are an active person, shoes are the most important. It means just be careful about the fans around you. You can stand on the ground.
हेलो क्या हाँ चलो आपके लिए हेलो क्या सेंटर हर्ष यहाँ पे होल्ड यहाँ पर लो क्या होल्ड हर्ष हाँ लो क्या वन मोर क्या चाहिए आपको आप दो चार दो वीडियो में नहीं पकड़ पाएंगे फैन सब हमारा फैन है वहाँ पे रेडी 1 2 3 ओह आएंगे यस हाँ या ओह दैट्स एक्सक्लूसिव 1 2 3 कौन सा वेटर है पहला वाला वेटर बाइट
हाँ सर. So what do you say about being associated with the Puma brand? I mean, what is the special quality you really love about the brand and what is the reason for being there?
I remember when I was a kid, I think my father's cousin from Australia, Vikram Kaka, he sent some shoes for my father. And in the 80s, right? And these are inspired from the 80s. मुझे जैसे ही मैंने देखा इनको, I remembered that style, and I also remember Akshay sir used to wear a lot of big white sports shoes. उनके काफ़ी सारे jeans के जो ad में वो पहनते थे. So one has grown looking at these shoes. So it's lovely that they have reinvented them again in RSX.
Whenever brands approach you for endorsing something, or what is the criteria you look for endorsing a brand or being?
एक कोई childhood connect मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है अगर हो जाए तो. Somewhere everything that we do is related somehow to our childhoods. So somewhere when I see something which comes and joins some few memories from my childhood, I really associate very quickly with it. वहाँ सोचना नहीं पड़ता. So I think they have done something like that with this.
And after putting what's going on professional work on?
Yeah, so today I finished my workshop for a film that we are going to start in March, and I'll be able to announce it very soon. Thank you.
Look at hold. Wait. Look here. Sir. Oh yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Look here. Oh, center. Bye. Sir, look center. Wait. Wait, sir. Sir, look center. Sir, look here.
आयुष
क्या क्या कंट्रोवर्शियल क्वेश्चन पूछोगे सर? आप बताओ सर. Yeah. So what would being associated with Puma as a brand? I mean, what is the quality you see in the brand? Well, I've been using Puma for a very long time. I think it's an amazing sports brand. They have very cool stuff, very nice shoes, very nice sportswear. So I mainly use it for fashion and also for activewear. So it's very nice that today I am associated with Puma. So after your first movie, brands must have approached you for endorsing or something. Yeah. What do you see when you get associated with the brand? Well, I think it's something that I would say is something that I use personally, something that I've been using for quite some time. That's the right brand to be a part of. I don't really believe in associating with something that I don't use it in personal sense. Puma is something I've been wearing Puma shoes for a long time. So that's why I think this association is necessary. And after your first movie, what's right now in the pipeline? Well, there are a couple of projects happening and there is a film that we're going to start very soon. There's been an official announcement. I've just been working on that. The pre-production is on. So as soon as there is everything is concrete, there will be an official announcement on it. Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, यहाँ पे. Center. Look here. Sir. Thank you. Arun. Sir, bye. Sir, यहाँ पे. Sir, पीछे देखना friend.
रोला सर क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Yeah, it's great यार. मैं अभी भी I've just got associated with Puma and it's a great brand. Believes in fitness, believes in running. Some really nice products, some really cool products. I saw the entire range and I'm really glad. It's a different way to actually to actually showcase your new products. It's a party, so everyone's having fun and I'm having fun.
क्या-क्या चीजें देखते हो आप किसी ब्रांड के साथ?
Yeah, whenever मैं जब भी किसी ब्रांड के साथ एसोसिएट होता हूँ, I think the entire aspect is अगर मैं वो यूज़ कर सकता हूँ ब्रांड या प्रोडक्ट, then only I'd rather do it. क्योंकि आज की टाइम में लोग हमें इन्फ्लुएंसर्स बोलते हैं. So I think बहुत ज़रूरी है कि you be an influencer in a right way. तो अगर कोई भी ब्रांड मेरे पास आता है, if I can use that product, I definitely then be a part of the entire ideology. Otherwise OLX है, कुछ भी नहीं बेचना है.
अच्छा, क्या-क्या फोकस में आ रहा है?
अभी यार मेरे काम में जो फ़िलहाल आ रहा है, ऑल्ट का एक शो आ रहा है, एक मेरा ट्रैवल शो आ रहा है MX प्लेयर पे, तो बहुत सारा वेब का काम आ रहा है. देखिए देखते हैं कब क्या कहाँ कौन सा आता है, बट बहुत जल्दी आ रहा है.
सोशल मीडिया में क्या कहना है, कितना बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म बन चुका है अभी खासतौर पे यंगस्टर्स के लिए और न्यूकमर्स के लिए?
आई थिंक इट्स ग्रेट यार सोशल मीडिया, बिकॉज एक तो आप भी अपने फैन से कनेक्ट करते हैं. यंगस्टर्स are always on social media. People, you get to know, आपको पता चलता है कि what's in, what's not in, what people like, what people don't like, and it's instant gratification या instant criticism. तो I think बहुत बढ़िया चीज़ है that social media is becoming so big. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.